Hey guys, this is Anna Francia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is still lockdown here in Vietnam, especially here in Ho Chi Minh City. People are required to stay at home. Authorities suspended food and drinks delivery. That means people cannot order their favorite drinks such as milk tea, juice, or smoothie, especially Vietnamese coffee. But that is not a problem because for today, I will be making Vietnamese coffee in two ways. But firstly, I will introduce to you all the ingredients that we'll be needing in making Vietnamese coffee. Firstly, we'll be needing Vietnamese coffee. I will be using Mr. Viet. You can use other popular brands such as Sang Tao, Mae Chang, or Trung Nguyen coffee. It really depends on you. Vietnam is the world's second largest exporter of coffee beans, especially Robusta, which has a strong taste, thicker brew that makes it different and very distinctive. With that being said, we'll be using a sweetened condensed milk, which added extra creaminess and lightens the Vietnamese coffee. We also need a hot boiling water, sugar, and ice cube or crushed ice. And a special tool that we'll be using is traditional Vietnamese coffee fin filter, also known as cafe fin. Here are the parts of a cafe fin. So this is what you call a fin filter. We were gonna put this on the bottom part. And next one, this is the brew chamber. Then, this is what you call the filter press. This one goes inside. And lastly, this one is the cap. So just put it on top of this one. That is the four parts of a coffee fin. This comes in different sizes, but for today, I will be using the 4-ounce, which is the single serving coffee fin. Okay guys, so let's start with Cafe Den, also known as black coffee. So to start with, let's just remove the filter press and the cap. Get the Vietnamese coffee. For Cafe Den, I will be using 3 to 4 teaspoons of Vietnamese coffee. It really depends on you. For me, I will be using 3 teaspoons. Let's put the Vietnamese coffee and then 1, 2, and 3. That's the 3 teaspoons of Vietnamese coffee. Okay, get the filter press and gently press the Vietnamese coffee, but not too tight. So for the first drip, we'll be getting the boiling water and fill the coffee fin with just 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Let's wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and let the coffee bloom. For the second drip, fill it again with boiling water nearly top of the brew chamber, and then put the cap on top of the brew chamber. And then let's wait for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes is done. Let's remove the coffee fin on the side. Next up is add a little sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons. So for this one, I'll just put 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Give it a little stir. And we are done with Cafe Den or black coffee. Let's just set this aside. Okay, so next up is Cafe Soda, also known as milk iced coffee. I will be using a taller glass. Get the sweetened condensed milk. For this one, I will be using 4 teaspoons of condensed milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically, let's just repeat the process just like the Cafe Den. I have already cleaned this cafe fin. Put the filter plate on the bottom. Next up is the brew chamber. So again, you can use 3 to 4 teaspoons of Vietnamese coffee. It really depends on you, but for me, I will be just using 3 teaspoons. If you want it stronger, make it 4. Let's get the Vietnamese coffee. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're done. Set aside the Vietnamese coffee and then get the filter press and then gently press it again. So for the first drip, we'll be getting the boiling water and fill the coffee fin with just 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Let's wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and let the coffee bloom. And for the second drip, let's refill it with water nearly top of the brew chamber and then put the cap on top. And then we're gonna wait for 6 to 7 minutes. Again, that is beautiful. Okay, 7 minutes is done and let's just remove the coffee fin on the side. Get your spoon and let's just give it a stir. That was a good aroma from the Vietnamese coffee. Let's just put this crushed ice. Wanna drink this so badly. Again, let's just give it a little stir. And then, we are done with cafe soda or milk iced coffee. So let's get the cafe den or the black coffee together with the cafe soda on the middle. And there you have it. We have the Vietnamese coffee in two ways. There are tons of recipes where you can use Vietnamese coffee, but these are just the basic ones. It's so easy to make your own Vietnamese coffee. Which one do you like more, guys? Is it the Cafe Den, which is the black coffee, or the Cafe Soda, which is the milk iced coffee? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. That is all for today, guys. I really enjoyed doing this coffee making session with you, and I hope that you'll also enjoy a cup of authentic Vietnamese coffee. I also hope that you have a great time with me today, guys, and as always, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.